How to buy a token before it launches. You have to know that timing is everything. So for you to get access to a token before it launches, in some places they are called buying a pre-sale, or in the stock market it's called initial stock offering, initial coin offering. So the advantage is this: it helps you to get in early before every other person. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get token before it launches in the market using what we call BYBIT Launchpad. So the strategy is on BYBIT Launchpad. So how do you get access to token before they launch, quality market tokens before they launch in the BYBIT Launchpad? So we have heard cases of other launchpad doing some shady things, but on BYBIT they try to examine the project in order not to tarnish the image of their exchange. And you have to know that BYBIT is one of the top, under the top 13 exchanges in the world. BYBIT is among them, and they are pretty growing very fast. So we have to look at some of the tokens we have on BYBIT, some of the pre-sales that has happened on BYBIT Launchpad, and some of the potential they have. So for you to, so these are some of the tokens we have on BYBIT. We have the Caster, which did over 2,000%. We have the Rail, which did over 1,815, 1%, and so many of them. So how do you get involved on this? We show you in this video, show you step by step on how you get involved. So the first thing you need for you to get involved in BYBIT Launchpad is that you need a BYBIT account. So how do you sign up for a BYBIT account? You click the link down below and it will take you here. Hold on a sec. So it will take you to this interface. Once you get to this interface, you click sign up. These are the benefits you get for using this link. Number one, you'll be able to share in this welcome bonus of $4,030, and you'll be able to get other bonuses. So this, ensure you use this link. If not, you miss out on those bonuses. So once you use this link and sign up, input your email address here. Once you input your email address here, ensure you put this link. Don't forget to use this promo code. It will also be dropped in the link down below. VJQGRV. Ensure so that you don't miss out on those welcome bonuses. Once you have done that, then you confirm your email address and you are good to go. Then you can now go and download BYBIT mobile app if you like doing it on the go from your iStore or Android store, any depending on the device you are using. Once you have done that, you now come to your BYBIT interface. When you get to BYBIT, let's show you how to access the Launchpad. Once you get to BYBIT, you go to thread and click Launchpad. Once you click Launchpad, it will take you to here. So far in the BYBIT Launchpad, there is 20 projects they have launched 20 projects. Over $3.4 billion has been committed, and over 1.1 million people have participated. So how do you participate? And right now there is a project that is going on. So as you are watching this video, you have to take action. We show you how to participate on this oncoming project. And remember, this video is not a financial advice, so it's been believed that you know the risk that is associated with trading before you indulge in it. So the first thing you will need is, once you have signed up for your account, you come here. This is the project that is going to be launched. The PlumX. So the PlumX is launching. So it has 3 phases. The first one is the snapshot phase. The second phase is the subscription phase, and the third phase is the distribution phase. So the snapshot of this project will start in 2 days time. So you have to be in a hurry. What do you need to join this project? You need only 2 things. Number one, you need to have 2 ways you can get into this project. Number one, you need to have you know that BYBIT has their own token, just like Binance have their BNB. BYBIT has a token we call the BIT token. So you need to have a BIT token, minimum of 50 BIT token. And currently, Bitcoin, as when I'm recording, So this is what you need. You need to have a minimum of 50 bits token in your BYBIT account, be it in your spot account, be it in your derivative account, be it in your BYBIT end section account, anywhere you have it, provided you have a minimum of 50 bits, you can qualify for this. So now, or if you don't want to use bits, you can use USDT, but those that will use bits, you can look at the allocation, that the total amount of this token that is allocated to those that will use bits. So if you are using bits, you have a higher chance of getting the more allocation, and the bit price, the token price will be listed at 0.07. So once it is being listed, you can see it's skyrocketing to the roof. And the strategy is, once you get it on the listing, try to sell it immediately. So the first thing is, if you have 50 bits, you come and, if you have 60 bits, on the 6th, if you have 60 bits, on the 2nd of October, you can pass for the snapshot. So the snapshot will take place from 2nd. So you need to have your BYBIT account before 2nd, and from 2nd to 6th of October, they will be taking a snapshot. So through that snapshot, ensure that you have a minimum of that 50 bits, so that you will get snapshots. After the snapshot, the next thing is, you will now subscribe. So, and ensure you do your KYC, at least level 1 KYC, which is basic ID card. Once you do it, if you don't KYC your account, you will not be able to participate in BYBIT Launchpad. So once you have been KYC'd and you participated in the snapshot, you just come and subscribe. Once you come and subscribe on the 7th of October, the subscription will open on 7th of October, and after that, on that same 7th, the token will be distributed to you. From on 7th, the token will be distributed to you, and it will be launched. It is being assumed that it will also be launched on that 7th, provided liquidity is met. So the first step is, have your 50 bits, minimum of 50 bits, so you can trade as well. And 1 bit now is around how much? It's not up to this 1 bit is close to, let's say, 45 cents as at the time I'm recording. So with less than $30, you can get involved, or you can use USDT. So anyone you like. So that's the first thing. So have minimum of 50 bits from now to the snapshot period. After the snapshot period, come back again, click your launchpad and subscribe if you want to get involved. Now, after you have subscribed, that's your bits will be seized for that time period, and they will now give you the equivalent of what you qualified in your snapshot with using your subscription. After that, it will be distributed back to you, and you can sell up and buy on this thing and make like 10x, 20x of your money. So that's it. So remember to sign up to BYBIT using the link, so that you can claim and share in the $4,030 welcome bonus and other bonuses that is attached to it. And remember to do this on time. Timing is everything in crypto. So also, if you are getting confused, use the link down below and join our Telegram group, so that you can ask questions and join a community of like minds and traders. So wishing you all the best. Plummet to the moon.